You clicked on this video because you know something's missing. Your lifts are stuck, your forearms burn out too fast, and deep down, you know why? Your grip is weak. See, your grip is the gateway to real strength. You can't fake it. You can deadlift 400 pounds, but if your hands fail, the weight wins. So today, I'll show you how to build a grip so strong it feels unfair, with just 5 movements. Let's dive into them. Grab 2 smooth weight plates, press them together. Now hold them. Just your fingertips and thumb, no straps, no tricks, no help. You will notice that the smooth plates are sliding out. 10 seconds in, your hands will start to shake. That's your pinch grip waking up. The kind of strength most men never train. Elite grip athletes can hold 90 pounds like this. You, maybe 15, but that gap is what we close. As you adapt, build toward 30 seconds. When the plates start slipping, squeeze harder. You'll feel every tiny muscle in your hand come alive because they've never been used like this before. I have a question for you. How long can you hold your body using your hands? Find a pull-up bar. Hang. That's it. No kipping, no motion. Let gravity fight you. Most people drop under 30 seconds and their fingers just open up. Special forces candidates are tested this way. No tricks, just will. Hang until your body lets go. Rest 2 minutes. Do 3 to 5 sets. Hit 60 seconds. That's your first milestone. Then add weight or progress to one-arm hangs. This trains your support grip, the kind that keeps you locked in under pressure. Loop a towel over the bar. Grab both ends and pull. You'll feel it instantly. Your fingers fighting for every inch. It's the same test old boxing trainers use to humble rookies. If you can do 10 pull-ups on a bar, expect 3 here. The fabric forces your hands to squeeze harder, teaching your fingers to maintain tension under fatigue. Do 3 to 5 sets. Rest 2 minutes. Can't do a pull-up yet? Do towel hangs until your grip adapts. Your hand gets good at holding one thing, and that's the diameter it practices on, so change it. Use an axle bar or attach fat grips to your dumbbells. Rows, curls, deadlifts. All harder, all better. Start at 70% of your normal weight and work up. When you switch back to a normal bar, it'll feel like a pencil. Now for the oldest secret of all, but from Shaolin monks to Bruce Lee himself. Fill a bucket with rice, bury your hands inside and move. Open, close, twist, stab, rotate. Every direction meets resistance. You're training 34 muscles and 27 bones normal lifts ignore. Train 5 minutes, 3 times a week. It looks simple until your hands start screaming. So before you start training, let me save you from the stupid mistakes everyone makes. Don't train grip every day. Your hands recover slower than your major muscles. Overtrain them and you'll get tendinitis, not strength. 2 to 3 sessions per week. And never train grip before your main lifts, always after. Grip strength doesn't just make you stronger in the gym. It builds endurance, control, and power in everything you do.